Imagine ditching the 9 to 5 grind and making money while you sleep. It's not a fantasy, it's a financial reality. Today, I'm revealing 3 powerful passive income ideas you can start implementing right now to build your financial future. First, create an ebook, an online course, or digital templates like Notion dashboards or Canva presets. You build it once, then sell it repeatedly to a global audience. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy make selling and delivery incredibly easy. This model offers incredible profit margins and scales infinitely because there's no physical inventory or ongoing service required. It's truly set it and forget it income after the initial creation. Next, promote products or services you genuinely believe in and use yourself. When someone buys through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. This doesn't require creating your own product. Simply leverage your existing audience on a blog, social media, or YouTube channel. Focus on solving problems and providing value, and recommendations will naturally follow. It's a scalable way to earn consistent income without handling customer support or inventory. Finally, leverage AI tools to create high-quality, faceless YouTube channels. You don't even need to show your face or record your own voice. Focus on evergreen, high-demand topics like finance, history, or top 10 lists. AI can assist with script writing, voiceovers, and even generate royalty-free video clips. Once your videos are live, they can generate significant ad revenue and affiliate sales 24/7, building a powerful, truly passive income stream. The key to passive income is starting small and staying consistent. Don't wait, pick one idea, take action today, and subscribe to Nexura for more financial strategies.